Hello student, in this video we will discuss about the numericals. We will do numericals based on the checking of the correctness of the physical relation. Physical relation. So question based upon this checking the correctness of physical relation is, first question is check the correctness of the relation, and the relation is given here. V is equal to under root 2 gm upon r. Here G, capital G, is the universal gravitational constant, m is the mass of the body, and r is the radius. Now we have to prove that is this relation is dimensionally correct or not. So for that we have to take the steps. First is we have to take the dimensions, taking dimensions on both sides. So here v is equal to, we will take the dimensions separately. V is equal to dimensions of v is, we know dimensions of velocity is lt minus 1, that is velocity. Velocity is equal to, velocity is equal to distance upon time. Velocity is equal to distance upon time. So distance, dimensions of distance is L and dimensions of time is T. So dimensions are LT minus 1. Dimensions are LT minus 1. These are the dimensions. So we have put here, we will write V is equal to m naught LT minus 1, the dimensions of velocity. Now we have to write the dimensions of G, capital G, gravitational constant G. So the dimensions of gravitational constant G is equal to, how we can calculate the dimensions? So we have to derive the formula. We know the formula. We know that the gravitational force between two bodies is directly proportional to the product of the mass of body and is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between the two bodies. So from here F is equal to, we have to write this proportionality to equality, that is F is equal to G into m1 m2 upon r square. From here we can calculate the value of G, that is G is equal to, from here this R on this side multiply with F, that is FR square. G is equal to FR square, FR square and upon M1 M2. Now write the dimensions. Now we have the formula of the gravitational constant G, FR square upon M1 M2. So write the dimensions. We know the dimensions of force. So what are the dimension of force? MLT minus 2. And the dimensions of r means dimensions of length. Dimensions, r is the distance, means dimensions of length, that is L square, and upon m1 m2 means dimensions are m into m. Now solve this, we get m minus 1 L cube and t minus 2. So these are the dimensions of gravitational constant G. We will put the dimensions. Here we will write the dimensions. This is the dimension of gravitational constant G. Now dimensions of, here dimensions of mass is m and dimensions of r is, dimensions of r is L. Now here this quantity constant 2 is constant and 2 is the this is dimensionless. 2 is a constant and a constant has no dimensions. Therefore V is equal to under root 2 gm upon r. Now we will put the dimensions. We have write the dimensions here. So the dimensions of capital G, gravitational constant G, uh, m minus 1 L cube t minus 2 into m, multiply by this m, into m upon r. R means dimensions of r is, means dimensions of length. At the place of this r, that is a distance, so dimensions of length. Now dimensions of velocity is lt minus, dimensions of velocity is lt minus 1 here we can solve this. M with M cancel, M minus 1, here M raised to power 1, so M with M cancel, L cube T minus 2. Now this L becomes L cube T minus 2, and this L on upper side becomes L minus 1. This is, we can write this L as L minus 1. So L square, L minus 3, base is same, power will be added, so 3 minus 2 is 3 minus 1 is 2, L square and T minus 2. So here LT minus 1 is equal to LT minus 1, means dimension on both the side of this relation is equal. Dimensions are equal. So we can say LT minus 1 is equal to LT minus 1. So right hand side is equal to left hand side. So if the right hand side is equal to left hand side, it means this relation, the given relation is dimensionally correct. So we can write, hence relation is correct dimensionally. So this is about this numerical. We have solved the numerical based upon the checking of the correctness of the relation.